Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Sara Lasiste from San Mariano, Isabel. I'm 31 years old, high school graduate. I'm married. My husband's name is Julito Lasiste. I have only one son. He is 4 years old. My mother's name is Imelda Soriano. My father is deceased. I'm only one daughter of my parents. I have 2 years experience in local domestic helper here in Antipolo, Rizal, Philippines. I serve 3 persons, 2 adults and 1 toddler. My duties are taking care of toddler, cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and sometimes cooking. I'm kind, responsible, and hardworking. I love children. I treat them with care and respect. I'm honest, trustworthy, and flexible. I will respect your family culture and household rule. I want to work with you because I want to earn money for my family and my dream house. Of course, my son's future. Thank you for watching my introduce. I hope to work your family soon. Thank you.